What's poppin', you guys? I'm back with another episode. Today, man, my boy invited me over to Los Campeones, y'all. This is a bitchin' ass gym, y'all. I ain't been here before. We're out here in St. Paul. Man, I'm ready to put some work in this motherfucker, though, y'all. We're gonna see how this shit goes. We're getting into leg day. I was a little sick a couple days ago, so I'm not expecting the best, but hey, you never know. It's usually these days that you feel a little janky that, you can make some shit happen. So I'm like, we're gonna get one set into these warm-ups, and we'll see what we get to today, all right? Let's get it rolling. Oh yeah, I'll take my shoes off too. Okay. All right. That's all I need. All right. All right, that's a good first warm-up. Let's keep it rolling, y'all. All right, y'all, set two, getting 2 plates on, and it was feeling pretty good with that first warm-up set. And that's usually how I determine how my workout's about to go. My first warm-up set, it was feeling damn good. My next ones tend to be great too, so we'll see how this shit goes, all right? Let's get it, set two. Oh, yeah. Set two in the book. All right, this could be my first working set. We're gonna see how it goes and determine that. You guys know what I do. If this shit's kind of looking rough or feeling rough, I'll count that as a working set. If not, we'll count it as my third warm-up set of the day, all right? Let's see how it rolls. Oh yeah, come on, baby. All right, I was feeling like 6 or 7 out of 10 rough, so all right, we'll determine that after the next one, man. It's feeling pretty decent though, all right? All right, y'all, this is working set one. We're gonna see how this shit feels. I'm going beltless, you know me, every once in a while I try to get that core working going. And all right, so we're up to 3 plates and 20, so what is that, fucking 355, 355? All right, let's see how that shit goes, come on. Ooh, it's baby weight right here, come on. Woo! Oh, see guys, you gotta just go with what you got sometimes. That's all we need. 2 in, let's see how the next one goes. All right, everybody, working set 2. We're just going for 3 working sets here, so this is gonna be my second heavy one. We'll see how this shit feels. You know, I had to get the belt on, see what we got. Again, we're not going for records today. I was just feeling a little janky the last couple days, but let's do this shit, whatever we got. Oh. Whew, come on. All right, yeah, that one feeling a little better right there, y'all. I wasn't fucking dying after that, so let's get it. Set 3 down. All right, y'all, last but not least, I got the belt at the lowest setting, it's squeezing the fuck out of me. Let's see if it gives me any more extra gains, though, all right? Let's get it. Let's go, let's go. Oh, and that's all I need. Lord have mercy. All right, that's how we do, y'all. Fuck these squats. Let's get it. All right, y'all, this is set 1 of leg extensions. Again, I never really used this machine before here, but it's looking just like every other leg extension machine. Hopefully it lines up real good. We'll see how this goes. Let's get it, set 1. Okay, woo, fuck. All right, set 2, y'all. That shit was feeling pretty damn light with the 3 plates, so let's get it. Set 2 with 4. Let's see what we got. Come on.
Ryu, this is crazy.
Oh, that's it. Oh, son of a. Let's go. All right, y'all, set 3. We're only going for 3 sets of this shit today, y'all, because my quad feel like about to rip the fuck out of place, all right? So let's see what we got. It's whatever we got. I'm not even counting. Let's go. Right there, fuck yeah. Oh, that's how we do it, y'all. Leg extensions out the way, fuck it. All right, guys, I never tried this calf machine before, but this shit looks like a fucking beast right here. So we're starting off with 4 plates because 3 plates is feeling like baby weight. I think this is gonna be a good first set, and from there we'll determine where we're at, all right? Let's get this rolling. All right. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a good burn right there, y'all. 12 of them bitches. Let's get it. Ooh, all right, y'all, set 2. We just threw another plate on this bitch because that shit was not the roughest thing in the world. Y'all saw I got 12 of them bitches and they were pretty controlled, so let's see how this next one goes. Oh yeah. Fucking hell. Set 3 of these bitches. And they're really pretty fucking good. We're getting a good ass pump on these calves, all right? Let's get it, last one. Come on. Baby weight right here, y'all. Baby weight. Oh my fuck. And that's how you do them bitches and calf raises right there, y'all. That's, we don't need no more of that for the day, y'all. Let's call it with that one. All right, y'all. It's been too long since I hit this hacks B squat here, so we're gonna see how this shit feels. I mean, we already went crazy with the squats and all these other fucking leg extensions, all this bullshit, so we're just gonna go for whatever the fuck we got, all right? I'm not even gonna count. I'm just gonna go for it, all right? Let's do this shit. Woo! Fuck. Yeah. Oh, that was great, y'all. First set in. Let's do it. Yup. Let's do it. Set 2, baby. Come on. Whatever we got. Fuck that. Fuck that. Oh. All right, y'all. Last but not least right here. We're gonna finish it off. I don't give a fuck how much I'm getting. I'm just going till I'm done, all right? Let's get it. Oh, 3, 2. Oh, wait. That's it. That's all I need. And we're good to fucking go, you guys. That's it, that's all. Thanks for tapping in, you guys. That's how we fucking kill a leg day, man. I feel like I'm about to pass the fuck out. I'm about to die. But hey, if you don't feel like this is the end of your workout, you wasted your fucking time, y'all, all right? I'll catch y'all on the next one. Thank y'all for tapping in. Adios.